What's up, viewers and subscribers? Hope all is well. Welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Today we have a 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom house for sale in Greenwich Park, Mammee Bay Senton. This two-story house is 7,638 square feet and the land area is 14,300 square feet. This house is currently priced at US 300,000 or Jamaican $46.5 million. This house is close to the North Coast Highway, white sand beaches, hotels, restaurants, and several tourism attractions. The flooring of the house includes terrazzo, ceramic, and wood. Some other features of the house include ceiling fans, bean grill, fence, and a garden area. Some section of the interior needs repair and some TLC, but it's still a great investment. Now let's check out this house. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, for more details on the property, please visit the description area below. Until next time, this is your boy Nick. One love.